Sellers, don't leave money on the table. Are you a homeowner ready to sell? If so, then you want to hear this. Hello, I'm Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty. Selling your home can be a significant financial transaction, and we want to help you make the most of it. How do you maximize your home sale and not leave money on the table? Well, this list of suggestions will put you in a better position to make the highest return on your investment. First impressions. When prospective buyers walk through your door, you want them to fall in love with your home. Here are some steps to ensure your home is ready. Declutter and depersonalize. Remove all personal items like family pictures and mementos to create a clean and neutral canvas. This allows buyers to envision themselves in the space. Repairs and maintenance. It's important to fix any visible signs like a leaky faucet, chips and paint, or even a squeaky door. A well-maintained home looks more appealing and can help justify a higher price. Curb appeal. The first thing buyers see when they drive up is the exterior of your home. Invest in landscaping, maybe repaint the front door, and do a good power wash all around. Set the right price. Pricing your home correctly is crucial in today's housing market. You don't want to miss the mark. That's why it's important to work with an experienced agent who has experienced different markets and has current, accurate market data to prepare the most accurate market analysis, taking into account current market conditions. If you want help navigating the sale of your home without leaving money on the table, reach out to me to help you. I'm Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty, moving you in the right direction.